Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing a Create This Book episode, and it's actually episode 10, which is very exciting, so I will make sure to leave a link to the rest of the episodes in my series in the description box. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 different pages that I completed, and also one that I completed off camera, so I am super excited to show you guys. So I think that's it for now, so let's get started. This first page that I did says, create a page from the past. Attach something from the past here, photos, documents, old drawings, etc. So here is just my blank page that I have. As you can see, the marker starts to soak through on some of them. But I got out some old artwork. I have a bunch of these binders just filled with drawings from when I was younger. So I decided to take a little trip down memory lane and flip through some of them. And I found some really cute stuff that I wanted to include in this page. So here's just some of them. As you can see, I was really into drawing ballerinas and strawberry shortcake characters. So there's a lot of those, which I think is really cute. So after finding some that I liked, I just took those out and cut them out so I could use them kind of like stickers on this page. I wanted to make this page really colorful and kind of match this color scheme that I had done on these drawings when I was younger. So I took some colored paper and I cut those up into squares to kind of do a little checkerboard pattern on the background. So I started by doing a pattern, but that didn't really turn out that well, so it's mostly just random colors in there, but I think it looks cool. It looks really little kiddish and super cute, so I glued those in with a glue stick and then trimmed off the edges. And I took the different photos that I cut out and I just kind of set them up in a design that I liked, and then I used some tape to attach those onto the page. And then later on I also ended up just covering the entire page with packing tape so everything was sealed in and I didn't have to worry about loose corners coming up. The second page that I did says create a colorless page. So I kind of just had this random idea as I was flipping through this book to draw a cow. So it's something that I've never drawn before, but I think cows are really cute and it makes the perfect page for when I can just use black and white. So I began by sketching this out with a pencil. I looked at a photo of a cow just to get kind of an idea on how they were shaped and looked, and then I just used a black Tombow marker to color the whole thing in and to add different details in it to make it kind of look like gray or in between tones. I used kind of a hatching method with a fine liner, and then later on I used a white Jelly Roll gel pen to also use like a hatching method to add some more white highlights and to make some parts a little bit brighter. So in the end I was really happy with this, and it didn't even take me that long, surprisingly, and I think I like drawing cows, so maybe I will do that again in the future. This next page is definitely my favorite, and it says create a fan page for a movie or TV show. So one of my all-time favorite TV shows is the Brady Bunch, so I decided to make a completely 70s themed page in my bullet journal, and I just went crazy with everything Brady Bunch related. All the supplies that I used for this page were photos of the Brady Bunch, different flower cutouts, colored paper, some washi tape, and then also markers. And I began by printing out some photos that I got online of some iconic Brady Bunch moments and characters. So I cut those out, and then I added this like retro 70s kind of design with some colors that matched the photos. My printer wasn't working very well, so that's why the photos look a little bit green, but I just kind of embraced it and incorporated that whole color scheme into the page. So I added these doodles that are like these weird flower designs, some more random 70s things. I drew out this little Brady Bunch logo and I glued that in. And then throughout this whole page I'm using these flower cutouts, which are probably from the scrapbooking section. I'm not sure. They've been in my house for a long time, and I thought they were the perfect shape for this and really suited the page. Here is Cindy with Kitty Carryall, one of my favorite characters in Brady Bunch. So I put that in, and then I also added some different colors of washi tape to complement the 70s color scheme. And I started by gluing all these flowers in, but later on I just taped them in because it was a whole lot easier. So here's the iconic Brady Bunch picture on the stairs, and I just kind of continued until this page was completely full, and I am super happy with how it turned out. I think this is one of my favorites in Create This book so far, so I'm sure that will change, but for now I really like it. And also, if you guys watched Brady Bunch, then please let me know in the comments. Alright, so this last page is a bit of a bonus one, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. So for this front cover page, I did this like, I don't know, Dr. Seuss kind of doodle design on here. I started by drawing vertical lines that were squiggly, and then I made them into checkers, and then I just colored them in with a variety of colors. And then around the logo for Create This Book, I just outlined that with a silver marker and then wrote my name in some calligraphy at the bottom. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and if you haven't checked out my other Create This Book episodes, that playlist will be linked in the description box. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!